Hi, welcome to new video review from fliplifestyle.com, and today we have Vega 3-in-1 hair styler. So it is having keratin coated plates. So there are a lot of features, we'll talk about it. So it can be used as a hair straightener, hair crimper and hair curler. There are keratin coated plates. There is a styling switch. It is having an MRP of rupees 1999, though you will get amazing discount if you check out the link in the description below. So it is having warranty card, user manual. So do read out the user manual first. So we have unboxed it. So this is the adapter. So this is a 360-degree swivel cord. It is really amazing when you straighten your hair. So this is the Vega 3-in-1 hair styler for you. It is having power indicator light, easy lock system and 360-degree swivel cord. So it is having an amazing product design. It does look lucrative and it works good as well. So it is having 2-year warranty, and there it is having also styling switch, which is really cool. So you can easily lock the plates. You can use it for the various actions. So it is having ceramic coated plates. So we will show you all the 3-in-1 applications of this 3-in-1 hair styler. So we will show you the straightener, crimper and curler as well. So you can use it with ease. So part your hair like this. So you can see the hair are not straight at all. These are curly hair. Now with the help of this Vega hair styler, you can switch it on like this. So you can see the LED indicator is on. So this is the plate for straightening the hair. So now part the hair like this, and we will show you how you can straighten the hair. So it is having ceramic coated plates which give you silky smooth straight hair. So make sure you comb your hair like this and then start with the process. So it's very easy. In this way you can use the straightener. As you can see, the hair are becoming straight and very easily. So in just 2 rounds, as you can see, the hair are straight. So it will save your valuable time and it will save you a lot of money as well. So if you go to a salon, they will charge you a lot and you can do it anytime, anywhere at your place in your convenience time. So this is ceramic coated plates, and plate size is 105 millimeters by 30 millimeter. So in this way, part by part, you can straighten your hair. So this is a very easy technique, as you can see. So the hair are getting straightened. So you can repeat the process. You can see one side is straight hair and another side is as it is the curly hair. So you can get straight hair like this using the Vega hair styler. So due to the ceramic coated plates, you get very nice shine as well. So you can easily switch on to any style button. So we are now doing the curling process. So make your hair curly with 32 millimeter barrel diameter. So use the clamp while doing the curly process. So make your hair curly in this way. It's very easy to do that, and you'll have to hold it for at least 10 seconds. So make your hair curly with ease. So this hair styler comes with different plate coating like ceramic coating, keratin coating and titanium plates. So it is very easy to curl your hair. So we are curling the hair like this. Make sure you don't use it in water while bathing. It should not be used, and there should be some patience as you'll have to wait for at least 10 seconds to curl your hair. So we can see few of the hair are curly. This is the crimping plate and we will start the crimper process. So you can easily crimp your hair in this way. So you can see the crimping is being done on the hair smoothly and easily. It gives a very nice texture to your hair. Also, there is a pro tip that before starting using the appliance, heat up for approximately 120 seconds. So before using it, make sure you heat up for 120 seconds for best use. So our crimping is being done in this way, and you can see a very nice texture on your hair. So this is the 3-in-1 hair styler from Vega, and you can do 3 processes in one hair styler. So you can see the very nice hair are straightened using the hair styler. So you can see the results for yourself and how easily we have straightened the hair. So we did love this product as it is 3-in-1. You can do 3 processes, that is, you can use it as a straightener, crimper and curler. So you can buy this device from the link in the description below, and we have been using it since past few days and our experience with it was just amazing, and it's a highly recommended product. So if you're looking for a hair straightener, don't just go for a hair straightener, go for this 3-in-1 hair styler, which will save you a lot of money. And don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best deal and discount for this hair styler. Kindly like this video and do comment on it as well. If you have any queries, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and put the bell notifications on for more such interesting video reviews. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.